I would like to share my experience about the Forex Beginners Academy, how this training has helped me in getting better in my Forex life. Like, since I came across this training, I've just been very good, very confident in trading, and this training has really helped me. And what I've learned so far, so I'd just like to appreciate Forex Beginner Academy for teaching me the basis of Forex trading. He taught us support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, trend lines, channels, risk management, and candlesticks analysis. With those I've been able to get better with analyzing the charts. And I also want to talk about the private group, because this has been a part of my development in Forex. Talk about how I post charts on the group and he gives me feedbacks, maybe correction or